What's up traders, welcome to the second part of the video about the flexible trade manager. So in the first part we had a look about how to use this tool, how to set up the trade, how to activate it, how to use the pending trade, how to use risk management and the news. If you didn't see the first video, just go below this video in that link. There is the first part. So in this part we will look into the indicator. If you are using Flexible Trade Manager on the same chart as the ICT template, please set up the true in this first setting. If you want to have your trade immediately activated when you place it, this means that it would be already activated immediately when you place it to the chart. You can set up true in here. I personally don't use it. You can use the trade projection as colored like this, or you can turn off the colors and you will have just these lines for the stop loss, entry and take profit. If you want to have your price labels on the chart, you just keep it as true. It's these price labels. If you want to have them bigger, you can raise this number and they will be bigger. Horizontal trading only, keep it on the true if you don't want to use a diagonal entries. Section number 2, predefined trade definition. I can set up true or false if I want to use it or not. I can set up, let's say my predefined stop loss 20 pips. So it is in a point, so I will set up 200. Then every time when I click sell, my stop loss will be always 20 pips. As well, I can set up my predefined target. So let's say I set up 400, it would be a 40 pips. So let's try. I'm clicking sell now. My trade is 20 pips and target is 40 pips. Another settings is a predefined risk reward calculation. It's calculated from a stop loss. So if my stop loss is 20 pips, let's say that I want to trade for the 2.5 risk rewards, which would be 2.5 bigger than my stop loss, and I click OK. And now you can see my trade is 20 pips and my target is 2.5 bigger, so it would be a 50 pips. Section number 3 is a color settings where I can change all the colors for the trade projection. I will not be showing it in this video because I would probably choose something ugly, so you can do it by yourself. In the section number 4 we have hotkeys lines. So we have actually the shortcuts on the HJKL, which will place your lines on the chart wherever you push these buttons, and as well we have zones N and M, which are zones like this, right? They have as well one special function. We can use them as a notification line. So for example, on this H line, which I have set in here, I can set my notification text, right? So once this line is reached, I will receive my notification to the phone, as I will show you here on this example. So I have set up reaching entry zone for sell. Once the price touch it, I have received this into my phone. On the zones, you can set up 2 alarms actually, because you have you will receive one notification when the zone is reaching and then when is it leaving. So for the both edges of these zones we have a notification. And in the part 6 we have a Fibo, which is set as a F on the Fib, right? Now when I place my cursor here on the swing low and I press F, the Fibo will appear in here and give me these levels, right? Now let's have a look into this button, which is called photo. So let's say I am a disciplined trader and I'm just opening a sell trade and I want to screenshot my trade into my diary and put it into my journal and write the notes. So I will simply click to the photo and it will give me this information that it's saving it into the diary. I can see where is my file and I click OK. File, open data folder, MQL5, files, diary, and I can see my trade in here. I can open it, and as you can see right now in here, you can see all these important things, and as well you can see the news in here. So that's for the journaling. Next feature in here is the stats. If I click into it, I can see all my trades in here, and what I can do, I can simply close some trades in here. I can close all trades for the magic number 8, 7,